Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. Are you in a situation when you are trying to change your TikTok account's password but when verifying your account you are not receiving the 4-digit code? In that case, there are a few tips and tricks which will help you come around in this situation. The first thing you'll need to do is, go check your internet connection. Check if your Wi-Fi or your cellular data connection is working just fine. Once it is, go to your TikTok and try again. Another fix you can try out is to force restart the app. In order to force restart the app, go to your app drawer and tap open the settings on your phone. Once you do that, scroll all the way down and tap on apps under settings. Now, find the TikTok application from the list, or you can simply search for TikTok in the search box at the top. Once you find the app, tap it open and locate the first stop button and tap it on to stop the TikTok app from running in the background. The first stop button is located at the bottom right. Give it a tap and from the pop-up, select OK, close the setting app and go back to your app drawer. Tap open the TikTok application and relaunch it. If this works, then it's great. If not, another thing you can try out is clear TikTok's cache. Tap up the new settings one more time and tap on the app search vertical from the app list and tap it on. This will open the application's information page. Tap on storage and tap on the clear cache button at the bottom right. Now that have cleared the TikTok app's cache, open the TikTok app again and try resetting your password to see if the verification code error is resolved. Another thing you can check is, go to your Play Store and see if your app is up to date. If it is not, tap on the update button and update your application to the latest version. Go back to TikTok and try again the last tip and trick. Go to your settings one more time and under settings, select apps, search for TikTok again, and from this page under app settings, tap on permissions. Ensure that no permissions are denied for TikTok on your device. In case some permissions are denied, tap on allow and go back to TikTok and try changing a password one more time and see if it resolves your issue. That is how you can try out some tips and tricks in order to fix the 4-digit code error on TikTok. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.